So, the hot water here got a leak in it. And I said, I was not about to clean up the floor, or my living room, or my bedroom, or any other room for that matter, every 30 minutes to an hour. So I started to look at it. And I said, I need to get something to catch the water, put it in here, so I can just empty the bucket and go on about my business and not spend too much time washing 100 towels every hour. More like 25 towels. But I'm about to see how much time this is gonna save me. I rolled up a piece of rubber, wrapped it with some tape, put it on here to reinforce it and give it its durability. Reinforced it with electrical tape, because that's all I had, to apply some pressure and tighten up that lip right there to catch the most water I can. And I see several different spillways, so I might make 2, 3 more. Yeah, in hard times, make it work, make it easier till you get through it.